Next lecture is for the what is the time domain and frequency domain description of AM signal. Already we discussed what is amplitude modulation. What are the amplitude modulation is a message signal is with respect to carrier signal. The the process of alternating amplitude of carrier signal is accordance with the instantaneous value of message signal by keeping frequency and phase of carrier signal constant. Already discussed for this the amplitude modulation about this. The next is time and frequency domain description of AM signal. Here, first we'll be discussing the time domain description. Define amplitude modulation. The what is the AMU? You have to first you discuss the what is the expression of AM signal. AM signal. First we'll be going to discuss for the this instantaneous value of message signal is. What is the instantaneous value of message signal? Already I told what is the message signal. M of t is equal to am cos 2 pi fmt. This is the message signal. What is m of t is equal to am cos 2 pi fmt, where am is amplitude of message signal, fm is frequency of or bandwidth of message signal. The next is the instantaneous value of carrier signal. The first is instantaneous value of message signal. The next is instantaneous value of carrier signal. The instantaneous value of carrier signal is C of t is equal to AC cos 2 pi f ct. This is second equation. First is m of t is equal to am cos 2 pi fmt. Next is carrier signal C of t is equal to AC cos 2 pi f ct. Equation number 2. And where AC is amplitude of carrier signal and FC is frequency of carrier signal. We know that the standard form of AM signal, standard form equation of AM signal is this. What is that? S of t is equal to AC into 1 plus k m of t cos 2 pi ft. This is the standard form of AM signal. This equation is given by here. What is that? S of t is equal to AC into 1 plus k m of t cos 2 pi ft, where k is that is constant, that is the amplitude sensitivity of the parameter. Substitute m of t means equation number 1. Substitute equation number 1 in equation number 3, that is S of t. Substitute this equation number 1 in equation number 3. The equation will be getting S of t is equal to AC into 1 plus Ka. What is substitute here? This here m of t. Substitute this m of t in this equation. Substitute in this equation. Here S of t is equal to this AC 1 plus Ka. The m of t means this is am cos 2 pi fmt into this cos 2 pi fct, and therefore S of t is equal to, substitute here, and what is the final equation? S of t is AC into 1 plus mu cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. This mu is called as this Ka into am. This where this mu is equal to K into M, that is a modulation index. This modulation index is defined here, where this here, what is the mu is equal to K into AM, the modulation index for AM signal. Therefore S of t is equal to AC into mu AC cos 2 pi fct into cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. Therefore S of t is equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus mu AC cos 2 pi fct into cos 2 pi fmt. We know that you have to solving this equation, that is cos A into cos B. The trigonometric identity cos A cos B is equal to 1 by 2 cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. And comparing this equation into this equation, the final equation I'm getting S of t is equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus mu AC by cos 2 pi into fc minus fm into t plus mu AC by 2 cos 2 pi. Here three standard form is getting this equation, this and this equation. This three form is known as for the carrier and message signal of the AMU. The time domain description. The time domain description you have to drawing. I will draw here. The first is, what is that? The first, what is the what here? The first is the what AM signal, that is a message signal here, and this message signal is continuation. The next is here is m of t. This is the m of t message signal. And I'll write here, this is the carrier signal. Carrier signal means high frequency. This is the high frequency carrier signal. And third one is EMU. The EMU will be getting for the signal is like that. The EMU with respect to carrier signal. Okay. This is the M of t. This is the C of t, and this is the S of t. These three signals is known as time domain. The next is for frequency domain. How to convert for the time to frequency? The equation 5 gives the simplified expression for AM signal. It consists of three frequency component. The first is FC, carrier frequency with amplitude AC, which does not contains any message signal. The next is FC minus FM, lower sideband with amplitude mu AC by 2, and FC plus FM, upper sideband with amplitude mu AC by 2. Taking Fourier transform on both sides of equation, we get. Therefore, S of t, this equation you have to taking Fourier transform. This equation taking Fourier transform. This equation is come for here. The taking the Fourier transform, this equation to this equation. What is that? Fourier transform. This is the time domain equation. Converting time to frequency. When you converting time to frequency, you taking the Fourier transform. They will be getting the frequency domain equation. This equation is known as time domain description equation. Time domain description equation. When you go into frequency domain, taking the Fourier transform. That's all. When you taking, first is time, next is frequency. The first you getting the time domain equation. When you going to frequency domain, take the Fourier transform. Okay, S of t is Fourier transform S of f. Here S AC cos 2 pi f is Fourier transform AC by 2 delta f minus fc plus delta into f plus fc. Same thing is getting of three equation. Okay, finally this equation is known as Fourier transform equation. That is a frequency domain description. This is a frequency domain. This is a time domain. This is a frequency domain equation. And frequency domain equation. Okay, next for time domain means this is a time domain waveform, and this is the frequency domain equation. The first frequency is using of the frequency signal minus fm plus fm, and m of t is the Fourier transform is m of f, that is am by 2, and here is getting of next signal lower sideband equation. And another for equation for the this waveform is known as frequency domain equation, the waveform, and this waveform is known as time domain waveform. Time domain waveform. Here the time domain signal waveform is, this is a sine wave message signal. The converting here, the one more signal will be getting for here, that is what is that? Carrier signal. This is the carrier signal. This is the m of t, this is the C of t carrier signal, and this is the S of t EMU. This EMU is for the when you getting up message signal, carrier signal, the beautiful EMU is getting. Okay, this is the fully thoroughly discussing of the time domain and frequency domain. The once again I will tell you the time domain description. You are taking the message signal, carrier signal, and what is the AM signal, and substitute this message signal to here. You getting the final equation. This equation will be getting, this is a time domain equation, this is a frequency domain equation, and final is using of waveform. This is a frequency domain and time domain description.